Welcome back to Skyway Classics. Today I have a beautiful 1981 Jeep Scrambler.
A complete frame-off restoration truck. You know, she has a cab or 9K, 9,000-pound winch that I can't believe, all remote. I just can't believe that someone would put something on this, because you'll never take this off-road and tie it to a tree and pull yourself out. But boy, it sure has the look, doesn't it?
Definitely.
This car has been completely freshly repainted. Wanted to get underneath the hood. It does have air conditioning, which is nice and cold. The people that have it on consignment let us do the full redo on the air conditioning. Power steering in the truck. It is a manual transmission, which is, you know, in my estimation, it is four-wheel drive. But look at this thing, man. Talk about standing the test of time. You know, 35 years old, and you would never know it by looking at it. So you go ahead and go around it. I am going to get in it and start it. And when you're ready, we'll take it for a spin so they can see that. And then we'll get her up onto the hoist and let them see that. But just, I mean, all the hinges, all the chrome plated, just a big time winner.
Awesome. Let's go for a ride.
Isn't that quite incredible, dear?
It's beautiful.
Okay, let's do it.
Alrighty, here we are inside the Scrambler. Just want to make a note, the AC is on and blowing cold.
Ice cold.
Radio works. Got everything you need. We're going to take it for a cruise down the road.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is get her up on the road so you can shift the gears. Tachometer works. All those gauges do work too, your volts and your temp gauge. This truck was completely nut and bolt redone, I think in 2014 maybe, and it's just been basically parked there. It has 1,173 miles on it since it was done.
Awesome.
She's a 4-speed transmission. She is four-wheel drive. It's nice when you get in one and everything works. Good sounding radio, speedometer works, great brakes. Going out the bump, you don't get the
right.
She's all rigidy. So I thought we could go down the expressway and see that. I mean, this thing is as nice as a new car.
It is.
I mean, isn't it incredible how they stand this test of time, and they just, I guess when you spend thousands and thousands in making them brand new again.
Sure.
You know?